When you're dealing with a resistant parent, reframing is a good method of looking at things from another angle. Providing the parent with another perspective can change their way of thinking. Let's see how this works in practice.
Mia has little white marks on her teeth, which is a little bit of a concern. We'd really like to find out what's causing them. Otherwise, Mia could end up with holes in several of her teeth.
What?
There are some white marks developing on Mia's teeth. We'd like to find out what's causing them. They could grow into holes, and if that happens, we might have to take out 1 or 2 teeth.
All right. Well, she's only 4. They're only her baby teeth. She's going to lose them anyway, isn't she?
Well, yes, they are baby teeth.
I'd be worried if you were talking about her adult teeth, you know what I mean?
Mm.
But my other kids are all right, and they had decay in their baby teeth. Must be weak enamel. Runs in family.
Well, it is important to look after baby teeth too. It can be very painful, and if we don't find out what's causing it now, she could end up with decay in her grown-up teeth.
Well, she's not in pain now, is she? Doesn't seem to be bothering her. She's perfectly happy. I mean, I wouldn't have even noticed these white spotty thingies if you hadn't pointed them out. God, look at the state of my hair, as if I've been walking around like this. Go on, I'm still listening.
Well, keeping baby teeth healthy is important for other reasons too. Your teeth look very nice.
Oh, do you think?
Yeah, and you see, the thing that we know is that children who have decayed teeth can often worry about their appearance, and they actually end up tending to smile without showing their teeth.
Really? I never thought of that.
Yeah, and the thing is, having teeth with holes in, or gaps where the teeth have been taken out, can really affect a child's confidence when they go to school. Little Mia, she's going to school soon, is she?
Oh yeah, in September.
Yeah.
You don't think these little white spotty thingies are going to affect the way she looks? And people are going to think that she's got bad teeth?
Well, at this stage, we can do everything we can to try and make sure that that doesn't happen.
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. Shall we have a look at what's causing it, and then you can have a little think about what you'd like to do to try stop it happening in the future and stop it getting worse? How does that sound? Good plan?
Yeah, okay.
In this scene, the therapist recognised cues from the mum that appearance was really important to her. He reframed his advice and was able to encourage the mum to start making important changes to improve her daughter's oral health.